Hi guys, now we will learn the past perfect continuous. It's very easy and just like simple past continuous type here है simple perfect past perfect continuous. This tense show which begins in the past. क्या show कर रहा है? Action. Sorry, this tense show the action. Show the action which begins in past. जो past में start हो चुका है but कंटिन्यू चल रहा है एक सर्टेन टाइम तक पास्ट में ही. जैसे ही हैड बीन वर्किंग इन दिस ऑफिस फॉर 2 years. स्टार्ट तो उसने कब कर लिया? पास्ट में कर लिया, लेकिन वो 2 साल से ही इस काम पे ऑफिस में काम कर रहा था. तो इस टाइप के सेंटेंस में हम फॉर और सिंस का यूज करेंगे टाइम के लिए. डेफिनेट टाइम सिंस, इनडेफिनेट टाइम फॉर. नाउ वी विल लर्न हाउ डू वी form the sentence. These sentences always form with the had been, then ing form of the verb. As usually, we will start the affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences. Subject either singular or plural plus had plus been. Now we will add been. In past perfect we have used only had, then third form of the verb, but in past perfect continuous we will use had, then been, then ing form of verb. Ing form of verb plus object if in the sentence, otherwise no. Example, she had been studying. She has been studying in this school since 2018. 2018 is the fixed. This is the definite time, so we have used it since. Or if we have used it, she has been studying in this school for 2 years, 2 साल से पढ़ रही है, then we will use it for. Next, negative sentences. Negative sentences, subject plus had plus not, then been plus verb and ing form plus object, subject, then had, then not, been, verb ing form में, then object plus since वगैरह लिखेंगे यहाँ पे since और for if there is time as given. So example, the farmer had not been harvesting. The farmer had not been harvesting the crop. Harvesting the crop for 2 weeks. The farmer had not been harvesting the crop for 2 weeks. Negative sentence had, then not, then been, then ing form, and 2 weeks are the indefinite time. So we have used here for. Third one, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentence, when we get the answer in yes or no, where we will use, start with the helping verb, had, then subject, then been, then ing form of verb, plus object if there is, then since or for, then question mark. Example, had the children been flying kites since 2 o'clock. Had the children been flying kites since 2 o'clock? क्या बच्चे 2 बजे से पतंग उड़ा रहे थे? Next, interrogative, another type of sentences. Then we use interrogative words. Interrogative words plus had plus subject plus been plus ing form of verb plus object if there is, then since or for, then question mark. Example, why had you been listening this boring music for half an hour? Why had you been listening this boring music for half an hour? तुम क्यों इस बोरिंग म्यूजिक को आधे घंटे से सुन रही थी? तो अब आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. अगर हमें यस और नो में आंसर आएगा, देन वी विल पुट हियर हैड, then subject, then been plus ing form of verb, then object and since and verb, but question mark is compulsory. Second example you are seeing, had the children been flying kites since 2 o'clock? Secondly, interrogative words, अगर क्या क्यों कब सेंटेंस में हिंदी में बीच में होता, interrogative word, then had plus subject plus been plus ing form of verb plus object plus since or for, then question mark. Example, why had you been listening this boring music for half an hour? Sorry, question mark. We will put here question mark. This type of sentences are very easy. You can make yourself all sentences in the daily use, or it is very beneficial in your translation work. Thank you very much. If you like my video, then share it and subscribe. Thank you.